So to fix this problem, first of all, what you have to do is to go to your phone settings. So tap on your phone settings when you find it. After that, what you have to do is tap on network and internet. Tap on mobile network, select the network. Then after that, scroll a little bit, tap on advanced and scroll. Tap on preferred network and select 4G, 3G, 2G or 2. After selecting this, what you have to do is to go to your phone Play Store. So when you get to Google Play Store on your phone, what you have to do is to tap on updates after searching for the name of this app. So as you can see, it is ADP Mobile Solution. So after that, search and tap on update. So after tapping on the update, you are going to get the latest version of this app. So after getting the latest version of this app, this is what you have to do. Tap on your power button for some while, tap on restart or reboot, then you tap on OK, and this problem is going to be fixed. So when this is not also helping you or this is not fixing, what you have to do is to go to your phone settings again, scroll and tap on apps and notification. Tap on see your apps. What you have to do is to search for the app and tap on it. Tap on force stop, tap on OK, tap on storage and cache, then you tap on clear cache. After that, go back, tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi. Make sure this background data is turned on. Go back and tap on notifications and make sure this show notification is also turned on. Go back and lastly tap on permissions and make sure every permission is allowed over here. So what you have to do is to tap on your power button for some while, tap on restart and restart your device, and this problem is going to be fixed after doing this. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video.